Standardization. Standardization is used to compare the death rates in two populations with different age composition. It is used to compare death rates in what? In two populations, and the populations will have different age composition. Types of standardization: direct and indirect. Direct means direct is done when age specific death rates, that is AST, are available. Age specific death rate of the comparing population are available. Direct is done when age specific death rates are available, and when age specific death rates are not available, then that is known as indirect. If age specific death rates are available, then direct comparison. If age specific death rates are not available, then we do indirect comparison. In indirect standardization, we use SMR. SMR stands for standardized mortality ratio. Standardized mortality ratio is equal to observed death divided by expected death into 100. Standardized mortality ratio is equal to observed death divided by expected death into 100. So जब एज स्पेसिफिक डेथ रेट अवेलेबल नहीं है कंपैरिजन के लिए, देन वी डू इनडायरेक्ट स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन. इनडायरेक्ट स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन में वी यूज़ SMR, that is standardized mortality ratio. Formula of standardized mortality ratio is equal to observed death divided by the expected death into 100. And if this standardized mortality ratio is greater than 1, then study group being assessed has high risk. ठीक है, तो standardized mortality ratio greater than 1 कम होगा जब observed death will be greater than expected death. When observed death is greater than expected death, then SMR will be greater than 1, that is observed death will be more. So the study group being assessed has high risk. And if the observed death is less than the expected death, मतलब observed death अगर कम है than the expected, then SMR is less than 1. Standardized mortality ratio is less than 1. This means study group being assessed has low risk.